Hello there, Miguel Martinez White is here. Today I'm going to talk about Neville Goddard's book, The Feeling is the Secret. Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. Now this is the process of creation for us. Let me go back a little bit more. For us, okay? Literally the how to do this. If you've been watching my videos, I talk about the procedure, the laws of the universe, God, the individual, conscious mind, subconscious mind. Okay, so I recommend if you still haven't understood the universal mind, God, and the individual linked with the conscious mind, subconscious mind, you might want to go back to those. Okay, but this is literally how you do this. Okay, number one, how you manifest. Okay, is sleep. Okay, right before you fall asleep, you visualize the end. Visualize the end, right? If you want to win a competition, you get a medal or a trophy or what have you. Visualize having it already, okay? And also visualize somebody congratulating you because it means it's already done, okay? And then come out of that and be grateful for it. Say thank you, it is done. And you can also write down what you saw. Write it down so it impresses more. Okay, you impress it more in the subconscious mind. A lot of the masters do this. Bob Proctor. Who was the student of Thomas Troward? Genevieve B. Rand. She talks about this. Okay, she would visualize herself counting $20,000 bills. Okay, in her imagination. Okay, and she knew that it was gonna come. Okay, so you have to visualize this stuff. Okay, you have to visualize the end. Don't see that how. Don't see yourself working and doing it. Don't see yourself like if it's money, right? Don't see yourself working. It's like see the money in your bank account already, or see a check you've received. See the money already in your possession. Number two, very similar to number one. You have to be in a relaxed state, okay? Say, for example, sit down like how I am right now, or lay down, okay? And you want your body to be nicely leveled, okay? Nicely leveled, okay? And you tell yourself, I am so sleepy, right? Neville Goddard says, says to say to yourself, I am so sleepy, because your body then starts relaxing. Even I was saying that my hands started feeling like light, okay? And that's gonna put you in a relaxed state, okay? And as you're in that relaxed state, start visualizing. Start visualizing the end, okay? And feel it. You have to feel it, okay? You have to feel like you already have it. You have to feel good, okay? And when you feel good, you have it already. You're believing you have it already, because your feeling is what you believe, okay? Because you could feel negative, fearful, and have lack. That's what you're believing. That's why you're feeling it, okay? If we have a lot of work to do, you have to keep on impressing your subconscious mind, okay? Until the feeling becomes natural. Okay, so if you're at a high level already, you're already earning a lot of money, but you want to go a little higher. Once you start feeling that, and once you start seeing yourself with that amount of money, you're gonna start manifesting the environment, the actions that you need to take, and you're gonna get to that goal. But at first, it might not feel natural, okay? Because whenever you're growing and going and define your limits, right? Define your limits, it's not comfortable, okay? It's not always comfortable, so it feels odd, it feels strange. But guess what? After you do it over and over again, it starts feeling natural. And guess what? Once you do it enough times, it'll manifest, okay? So those are the two ways you impress your subconscious mind. Right before you sleep, right? Fall asleep feeling the wish fulfilled. Make sure you fall asleep feeling you already have it, having that feeling, okay? And each desire is different, okay? And how do you feel now that you're healthy? For me, it was confident, right? For me, that was confidence. Like, how do you feel now that I have muscles now? You know, and I feel good and look good. how do I, what was that feeling? For me, it was confident. I feel confident. Okay. So you gotta ask yourself that. Okay. Everybody has different goals. Okay. And yes, you feel that, you see that, fall asleep. Okay. Fall asleep. Um, in the book, The Science of Getting Rich, um, it actually says, see yourself in the mirror, see yourself happy and wealthy and, enjoying your wealth. Um, move things around in your home that you wish to have in your imagination, and move them around. Why? Because you're already at the end. You're not talking to a real estate agent saying, hey, real estate agent, I need this help. No, you already have it. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Okay, so same, when you wake up, you can do the state akin to sleep, which is, being, okay, Neville Goddard calls this prayer, okay, which is the second way, being completely relaxed and visualizing your body. Okay, you can do it sitting down or laying down, and you start feeling the feelings of the wish fulfilled, see yourself in the end, and things will start manifesting. Okay, because everything you have now, you visualized it. Okay, this apartment, I visualized. Okay, actually a bracelet. I summoned a bracelet because I was looking for like a necklace or a bracelet where I can have a crystal. This is an amethyst crystal, and this is obsidian. What I really wanted was an amethyst. I wanted something that had amethyst, because amethyst is meant to remind you to be calm, and it helps you stay calm. Okay, it's a calming crystal. Okay, so that's it. Okay, remember, this is not the only ways to impress your subconscious mind. Subconscious audios, there's a video that I've done on that. Putting little notes, goal cards or notes in your home where you'll see them, and repeating them. Every time you see it, you say the affirmation. Okay, put them in little places. These are ways to impress your subconscious mind. Okay, and then there's a walking one. I think it was the last video. The last video was a walking manifestation method one. Okay, and it's again that one's from Neville Goddard. That one's from the Power of Awareness. A story about a young businessman who wanted to own a large building. He would walk by it, and in his imagination see his company's name, his family company name on the building, and eventually after 2 years of doing that every single day, feeling the wish fulfilled and seeing it in his mind, it happened. Okay, those who don't know these laws will say, wow, amazing, a miracle. It's not a miracle. It's using the laws of the universe, using imagination, thought, which is the cause of everything. Okay, hope you like this one, and if you want more resources, check the description below. You can follow me, subscribe me. You can follow me on Instagram, the Miguel Martinez Juarez. You can check out my clothing brand, okay, gym clothing, specifically at Defy Endurance on Instagram. Okay, and I hope you like this one. Thank you so much. Peace.